What is Buddhism? A Beginner's Guide. Hello and welcome. Today, we begin a peaceful journey into one of the world's most profound spiritual traditions, Buddhism. Whether you are curious, seeking clarity, or just starting your spiritual exploration, this guide is for you. So, what exactly is Buddhism? Let's begin at the very beginning. 1. The origins of Buddhism. Buddhism began around 2,500 years ago in India, with the teachings of a man named Siddhartha Gautama, later known as the Buddha, which means the Enlightened One. Siddhartha was born a prince, but left his palace in search of deeper truth after seeing suffering in the world. After years of meditation and reflection, he attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya and began teaching a path to inner peace and liberation. 2. What does Buddhism teach? At its core, Buddhism is not about worshipping a god. It's about understanding the nature of suffering and learning how to overcome it through wisdom, ethical living, and mental discipline. The Buddha's teaching rests on the Four Noble Truths. 1. Life involves suffering, called dukkha. 2. Suffering has a cause, mainly desire and ignorance. 3. There is a way to end suffering. 4. That way is the Noble Eightfold Path. 3. The Noble Eightfold Path. The path is like a guidebook for wise and compassionate living. It includes right understanding, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. This path helps develop morality, mental clarity, and insight, key tools on the journey to enlightenment. 4. Is Buddhism a religion or a philosophy? Good question. Buddhism doesn't insist on belief in a creator god. That's why some consider it more of a spiritual philosophy or way of life than a religion. However, for many followers, especially in Asia, Buddhism includes rituals, art, symbols, and devotion to the Buddha and enlightened beings. 5. Branches of Buddhism. Over time, Buddhism spread across Asia and took different forms. The main branches are Theravada, common in Sri Lanka and Southeast Asia, focuses on early teachings. Mahayana, found in China, Japan, and Korea, it emphasizes compassion and helping all beings. Vajrayana, developed in Tibet and includes advanced meditation and ritual practices. All branches share the same foundation, but offer different paths to liberation. 6. Why is Buddhism still relevant today? Buddhism teaches mindfulness, non-attachment, compassion, and inner peace, values that are more needed now than ever. Its practices, especially meditation, are used globally to reduce stress, improve focus, and foster emotional balance. In a noisy, fast-paced world, Buddhism offers a quiet space for reflection and awareness. 7. Final thoughts. Buddhism is not about converting or convincing. It's about looking within and understanding how the mind works, how suffering arises, and how to free ourselves from it. As the Buddha himself said, "Do not believe in anything simply because you have heard it. Test it for yourself. If it leads to peace and happiness, then follow it." It is about meditation and insight. Anapanasati and Vipassana are explained in the next videos. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe for more gentle explorations into the world of wisdom and awakening. Until next time, may you be well, may you be peaceful, may you be free.